Hi friends, today we will use eggs, broccoli, and new harvested onion for salad. So let's go. First, let's boil some water and boil the broccoli for about 2 minutes. Then drain the broccoli and wash in cold water. Now let's slice the onion. Slice as thinly as possible. Boil some eggs. While waiting, soak the onions in cold water for 3 minutes. And then we're just simply going to mix everything. Dash some salt and pepper. And a little bit of mayonnaise. And for this, we're going to use this salad dressing, so don't worry, you don't need to put a lot of mayonnaise, okay? And that's it. Friends, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked today's salad idea. And if you do, please give me like, share, and subscribe. Please comment down below what kind of salad do you like, okay? So, see you on the next one. Mata ne!